How to change your online store currency in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the currency of your store into the Hostinger website or Hostinger store that you have created. The first thing that you're going to see or you're going to have to do is to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and you're going to see the website or the H panel or the dashboard of Hostinger account. Now we are going to head over the left side of the screen, select the websites, click on websites list, and from here you're going to see all the websites that you have. Now once you have set up or saw the website, you're going to click on manage store for one of the websites that contain this store. How to distinguish a website that has a store? You're going to see the manage store button. So basically you're going to click on it and then you're going to see the store manager. If you do not manage to see a button for the store manager or manage store, that means that you haven't added the store option to your Hostinger website. And you can do here and add that specific feature to it by clicking on edit website, and then you're going to add a store page into the pages. So now we are going to see the store manager. What we're going to do is to make sure that we have at least the payment method set up. It is not going to be related to the payment methods, but it is going to be a specific here detail that we are going to need to set up. Now, the first thing that you need to do when you are going to be on the payment methods, go ahead and upgrade your plan to the business plan, because the normal plan, it is not going to let you receive the payments for the products. Now, once you have set up the business plan, you need to connect a payment method or two. Basically, you are going to here connect your Stripe or your Paysera, and you're going to connect PayPal because PayPal is going to be considered as a secondary or a let's say non-primary payment method. So it is going to be added as a second one. Once you have added everything in here, you're going to click on store details. Now for the store details, you're going to see the store name and also the regional settings or the regional settings. You're going to see here that we have the currency and also the measurement system. You're going to set up the store, as you can see here, and a currency, and you're going to read here a little warning that should be set up as a warning, so you can go ahead and read that the store currency cannot be changed after connected any payment method. So as long as you haven't connected a payment method, you can go ahead and change the currency as much as you want. But once you have connected a payment method, it is going to be here frozen. So before adding a payment method, make sure that you're going to choose the currency. So here we have the list of the currencies. For example, we have the USD, we have also the CHF, which is going to be the here the Switzerland currency. We're going to have the euro and etc. So you can go ahead and select, for example, euro. I'm going to type in here euro. And for the metrics, I'm going to let them here as metric, not imperial, and click on save. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.